Congratulations! If you're able to watch this video, it means that the doors to this exclusive money-making system are probably still open. And in just a few short minutes, you'll have access to what many are calling the easiest way to make money online ever created. And while you already know that I can't legally make you any guarantees or promises, I can tell you that we have in fact had people with zero prior experience make money their very first week with this system. People like Linda, who says, I can't believe it, just had my first sale. I joined 3 days ago. Super happy right now. Or Tim, woohoo, happy dance. Made my first sale yesterday. That's pretty quick. I wasn't expecting it that quickly. Or Timothy, who says, hi everyone, I'm totally excited to be here. The system helped me get a sale my first day and 10 sales my first week. Or Gary, who says, just checked my stats. It's a good start for the weekend. 5 sales and 114 new opt-ins. Kishore says, my DFY traffic, and DFY stands for done for you. My done for you traffic started yesterday and I got an affiliate sale within the first few hours. Amazing. David says, yes, another new sale. This is great. And the system did it all for me. Thank you all. Jovi, whose first language isn't even English, says, I don't even touch my computer for a few days because of my busy schedule. I woke up this morning and I got another 2 sales. And Tracy says, wow, what an incredible day. My second day of sales is a whopping $470.71. This makes my September total to date $496.34. Devon Brown, thank you for this system. And we've got dozens of testimonials from everyday people just like you who are getting amazing results, all because they were smart enough to watch this video to the end and give this system an honest try. So, just how easy is this system? Well, let me put it like this. Do you know how to order a pizza? It's pretty easy, right? All you do is just go online, select the type of pizza you want, tell them where to deliver your pizza, and then sit back and relax until your pizza arrives. The whole process takes just a few minutes, right? Well, this system pretty much works like that. Except instead of ordering a pizza, you're just ordering website visitors, also known as traffic. And instead of the order coming to your house, the website visitors are delivered to an automated system that does all the selling for you, day after day, even while you sleep. Pretty easy, right? The system only takes a few minutes to get up and running. And once we've activated it for you, you can start seeing results as early as this week.